Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro. First of all, find a standard application on this device, screen recorder. If you don't have this application here, need to open your top bar navigation and find this button, Start Screen Recorder. You can press and hold and settings are opening. And this one method, and second method is open this application screen recorder, and here open your navigation screen recorder bar, and here we got start button, file button and settings. So go into settings, and here we got video quality option. You can choose, for example, 100 megabits and or 15 megabits and another option, and first option it's resolution. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.